Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its backup camera. You also have your heated front seats and your power sliding rear doors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And if we take a look just over on the side here, you'll see your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And I'm just going to open up the second row here just so I can show you just how much space there is. As you can see, you have 3 additional seats. If you do need to actually have that middle seat removed, you can actually have it placed in the back of the cargo space there, which I will show you later on in the video. Now, in the third as well as in the second row windows, you'll find the sunshade visors. So if you want to block out some of that sun just while you're trying to take a nap on one of those long trips, you can do so. Close button is just located on the inside here. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids or yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, you don't have to worry about that. The nice thing is it does have the jam protection, so in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, then it will open itself back up. And then if you want, just close it once more on the outside just by pulling on the handle. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver, and to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on your left hand side you have your traction control on and off. On the inside of your driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seat function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, as well as your scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now, I'm just going to start up the vehicle just so that I can show you some of the additional features on here. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll be able to find your digital speedometer, as well as the distance to empty, average fuel economy, and then you can also scroll through your audio, lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings menu with your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and a couple of other additional features. Now, at the very top of that screen, you'll see an exterior temperature gauge, and taking a look now at your center dash, as well as your touch panel display, you'll be able to see a couple of different options on here, which include your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, the nice thing with that apps menu is it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have the Entune app suite on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. You have your Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below, matted to an automatic transmission, heated front seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input with your 2 power outlets. Now right at the top here you're going to see your auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, along with the SOS Safety Connect. So with the SOS Safety Connect, it'll actually, what happens is if you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away. You also have the sunglass case holder in here, open and close for your power sliding rear doors, and an additional mirror on the inside here just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. Now I'm just going to throw this into reverse, and as you can see you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you try to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. The nice thing is you do have a 60-40 split for your rear seats, so if you do want these seats folded down, all you have to do is push on the back of the headrest there, pull in this middle piece here, and it will fold into the floor for you. Just make sure you pull this flap up first. That way everything remains nice and flat. And if you do need some more additional space, but some passengers as well, you have some space located on the bottom here as well as on the left. But this is also where you will store your middle seat from your second row. And to fold the seat back up, all you have to do, just pull this flap up, pull on this middle piece here, and then tilt the seat back to the desired position. Now, the reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt the seat back farther just so you're more comfortable on the ride. You have the power outlet there as well. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.